Today I'm going to be doing another video of unboxing Polly Pockets. It's a good one. It's a secret. I'm just gonna like open it. Show you guys about it. It's the Chinese set. So first up, let's look at this set. Well, it's a kitty with some sushi. The top pink sushi part is like really rubbery, and well, it has a little cat detail. Then when we go to the indoors, well, first, like, it already stuck some food out, little chairs. They do not spin, but the table slides in case, like, those are their sofa and you need to, like, move a little meal around, so, yeah. Then, up here we have, like, a little cafe. I love the little cat umbrella. Then, this, like, opens. So, inside we have a little cafe. Nothing like, but now you might not saw it. Oh yeah, and then this cat table spins. So, okay, that's the little cat part. It's right there. Okay, here's our first little accessory. We have some cute yellow chairs, like for that upstairs little cafe thing. It's cute. Then we have like a grill with like not hot dogs but like really cute stuff, and it spins. That's really cute. And like, yeah, it's pink. Next up, we have just like a little, and we have like a little veggie bowl thing, like little bowl of vegetables. Let's see what we have. Okay, this one's a little, ooh, it's really cute. It's like a pink blossomed tree. Isn't that cute? Like little. Okay, next up, we have, well, yeah. I think this is like cat ice cream. Cute. To give it detail, we have no idea what it is. Ugh. This is a tiny detail, so it's like the smallest detail ever, so it's really hard to get out. It's just some fish. Little fish. Then we have some ice cream. Really cute. Has a little slice so the dog can hold it. And the last thing from this little card is, woo! Oh, let's see where it went. Okay, hold on. Let me just, you know, like, stop because it doesn't make me. So I'll just show it off later. And I can't really see where it went, but like if I can't find it in about like 2 minutes, I'm just gonna have to search for it later. Okay, but let's just do it. Here's where the person like ordered the sushi at. Little cash register. Next up, we're gonna show off like the people. Okay, well at least I found her. Never. So here's like a really like Japanese doll. Like, yeah. And then we have Polly. She comes with every set. And like, I always get the cats. How come I always get cats for the pets? I never get anything else. I never get a dog or anything. But this gray little cat's pretty cute. Then the last thing is like the most coolest thing of the event machine. Look, candy and stuff. It looks like a little like drink can. Well, that is all for today. Bye.